Hi, I'm Kurt Manninen with BrainChip. I'm a senior solutions architect, and I'm going to demonstrate our LLM on the edge with RAG on our Akita platform. What we're demoing here is we've trained a large language model using our new TENN algorithm, Temporal Event-Based Neural Networks. We've trained this with about 330 million parameters using the pile. And what we're showing is a retrieval-augmented generation demonstration. So here I'm going to select an appliance that we're going to ask questions from our Akita large language model. Here, for example, you might be working with an air fryer. And we have some pre-canned questions here. What happens if the power cord is damaged, for example? Right now we're asking our large language model. It should be repaired or replaced by another manufacturer. Again, every time I click on one of these appliances, we're loading the user manual and we're loading it into our large language model so we can get directed questions. Here I'm selecting where is the child lock. It's typically with an icon with a padlock. The thought being we could put this large language model, install the large language model on a device at shipment. You never have to go back to the cloud. You don't have to load it up on your phone. It's there, one version, one user manual, one LLM. It's super low power, low memory, and we're trying to demonstrate how we are pushing the boundaries of large language models on the edge. Again, if you wanted to learn more information, please visit brainchip.com. Thank you.